Hello guys, welcome to A3 Tech channel once again. Today I'll be going through my honest review about the recent update from Windows, which is Windows 11, and I'll be giving you a specific reason why I think you should wait before you download and install the Windows, so as to correct all the glitches and bugs in the recent updates. And I'm going to tell you why this recent update is one of the amazing updates. You would agree with me, despite the challenges with Windows 10 zapping people's internet bandwidth and etc. Despite the challenges, they've made sure that they fix these challenges in Windows 11. And from what Microsoft said, that Windows 11 is going to experience 11 major changes, which is 11. But with my own view, I can still only see and explain 8 major advantage of this Windows 11. As time goes on, maybe in part 2 of this video, I might be sharing you more reasons why you should install the Windows 11. But as at the time I'm recording this video, I can only notice 8 significant changes that really amaze me, and I really love it. And I will tell you at the end of this video, if time permits me, reasons why you should not download it, because I experienced a lot of challenges when I installed Windows 11. Before we dive into it, kindly click on the subscribe button. Make sure you click on the notification bell so as to get notified each time I upload a new video. And don't forget to like and share this video with your friends and your family. And you should stay tuned, because my next video I'll be showing you how to meter your connection on Windows 11. What does meter connection do? Why is it good for you to set it on? Windows 11 is simple and complex. If you are not careful, you might not find your way around Windows 11. Let's dive into it. Okay, now if you notice, if you look at the UI UX, you would see that the letterings, the corner, the angles, the way the browsers opens, it has actually changed. It's not different from the way it is in Windows 10. It's much better. I love it more. The design, the letterings, and so forth. I just can't say less. You can see the edges. They made some changes. They did a lot of changes. You would love the UI UX. You can see this. You can just look at, when I hover my mouse here, look what they did. Instead of them using a pure rectangle, they blunt the edges of the rectangle. This is something way different from Windows 10. The UI UX is amazing. In Windows 10, when I put my cursor here, it brings out another drop down. This is what I just want you to know about the UI. The UI UX is beautiful. It's from home button, you get to see that thing is, it supports widget. But as you know me, I literally turn off the widget. I literally turn it off so as it will not consume my data. The widget, the moment you over here, the widget will be showing around here. It will be showing at the left hand side, showing you the current time, weather, and some other news. But in order to reduce the data consumption, I had to turn it off. I don't really like it. So for widgets lover, there's a way you could actually turn it on here, which is very beautiful. Moving to the third point, which is, now you'll be surprised to know that you could actually install Android apps on your laptop. Yes, that is one of the most beautiful things. You could actually install Android apps on your laptop. My connection is currently slow. When this loads up, search for the app you want to use, download it, and you can easily use it. You can download TikTok to your laptop, YouTube, and some other apps, and you will run it effectively. So it also comes with an Android OS pre-installed, which gives it the ability to run Android OS. We are now in the COVID taught us that we could work remotely. COVID taught us we could work remotely uh, without going to our office. So now Windows 11 came in with a Microsoft theme pre-installed. Microsoft, you can see here. So all you can access your teamwork at very, very easy. You can access your team easily. You don't need to just start download it. It comes pre-installed when you install Windows 7. This is a beautiful innovation from Microsoft, making work easier for people who work remotely, and making meetings and conferences much easier, which I love so much. Love is Snap layout. This is one thing about the smart layout. I usually call it dual screen, which is a layman language, but this is Snap layout. What you just see here now, the drop down you see here, it means that okay, this current page is going to take this. While you can put something else here, you see what it is. You see what it just did now. So I'm putting this here now. I'm putting this here on the second side, while I'm putting the Microsoft here side by side. I could actually be typing here and also be doing something here. Did you get a picture now? So that's what it's out. Cortana got better, honestly. There was a recent time I did some update on Windows 10 and I was unable to use my Cortana immediately. Oh, I missed Al a lot. But now Cortana got better and smarter. Hey Cortana! Hey Cortana! That's why she's not responding. I believe that's because I'm using my laptop's microphone now. Hey Cortana! Hey Cortana! How are you feeling today? What is the time? What is the time? Okay, I guess it's because I'm currently using my app. I'll probably do a short video about how the Cortana works better right now in some days. Then Windows 11 is strictly built in for gaming. If you are the game lover type, this Windows 11 comes with some upgrades that enhance game, just like Direct X12 and some other uh, updates to enhance your gaming and enjoy it. Last but not the least that I noticed is this: your battery optimization. I notice my battery lasts longer since I have installed this Windows 11. It lasts longer. I'm just surprised, even though my battery use an average of 8 hours, but still I still get uh, more time on the battery since I install Windows 11. So, which is a beautiful thing. I really appreciate Microsoft for doing this update. Oh, I think we that's all for now that I notice. If I notice any new changes, I'll tell you. When I install this Windows 11, what are the challenges that I face? I must be honest with you, I face a lot of challenges. I lose some documents in the process. Watch out for the part 2 of this video. If you have been able to pick one or two things, oh, I think we that's all for now that I notice. If I notice any new changes, I will tell you. When I install this Windows 11, what are the challenges that I face? I must be honest with you, I faced a lot of challenges. I lost some documents in the process. Watch out for the part 2 of this video. If you have been able to pick one or two things today, kindly give a thumbs up. Make sure you share this video with your friends and family. You will be helping them a lot. And if you are new here to this channel, make sure you click on the subscribe button and hit the notification bell. It will go a long way to support my YouTube career. A3 Tech will see you in the next video. Thank you and have a wonderful day.